Hello everybody, welcome to Shaurya Coding Hub. So guys, let's get started with the video. So the video topic is how to install Python, taking a look at Python and how to install it and fix the pip issue. So the main focus to this video is for education, and basically we are going to install Python on your system, or if you want to install, then how to install it, and you can follow around the video to install it. First, what you need to do is go to your you can go to your Chrome or any browser that you like to use for this video, and search for python.org. Once you search for it, this web page will be opening. Okay, what you need to do next is go for this download section and download this Python 3.10. It's the latest version for Python, as now it starts downloading. Okay, so now once it get downloaded, what you need to do is you can either go press this up arrow and click on show in this folder or open, or else in the else section you can double click on this to open this exe right in from your browser. Once this opens, what you need to do is add Python to 3.10 to path and click on customize installation, and make sure that you don't click on install now section, because it has a lot of things that you want to add, that you I think need to add to work on Python actually. So let's click on customize installation button. Once you click on it, you have to select this pip. That would be not selected. File launcher would be not selected. This would be not selected, as if I have already downloaded the Python 3.9 version, which is just by copying. It is like this Python version is this Python installation is just copying that installation guides. So you can follow along with me, and you have to click on this pip, and for all users file launcher. You need to go if you have done that already. Okay, once you see that, in some cases this is already done. Pip and file launcher for all users required elevation. These options are selected, and you might be thinking that why am I going to select this pip? What is the reason for that? The reason for that is whenever you go for Python, working in Python, you need some modules. I will make a video for explaining that too, but for now you can understand that there are some modules in Python that are used for working in Python. Or like Pygame, you can search for Pygame, which is a popular module used for creating games. So what pip does is it is like Play Store of your Android, or as per your OS, it is the installer. When you write pip in your command prompt or your terminal, as in mine, let me open my CMD, and here if I will say pip install Pygame and hit enter, what you will see is something installing right here. But what pip does is it is Python installer for it's Py installer for Python, something like that. I didn't know really what it is like. So but it is something like package installer for Python. Yeah, I got it. So what you need to do is to click on this next, and what you need to do is click on this install for all users, and you have to not click for this download debug binaries, or if you are like in the section of intermediate, then you will be also already changing this. Now click on install section button. Something like this will appear. I don't think that my I think my laptop or my recorder would be capturing this, but it would be showing, do you want this app to make changes in your device. You don't need to see that it matters or not. You have to select the yes button and say the enter, and now the installing process will start. So it works as per your computer speed or something like that. And yeah, that's the whole thing. And in this only I gave you the solution. So for pip issues, so the pip issue, how to fix the pip issue is one thing I forget to tell you is that when you go to downloads, you have to go for Mac OS. Okay, if you click on why does I say like you have to not click on for download for Windows, something like that, because if you are a Mac user and you use Chrome for that, it would be not recognizing the pythonorg.com would be not recognizing. As usual, many laptops or many of the computers are based on Windows OS, and so that's why, because of the so customer base at Windows, the python.org has already by default kept this as download for Windows. If you do that, your installation will be not working. What you need to do, if you are on Mac OS worker, you have to click on this Mac OS button, and then you have to go to down, and if you are not like, if you are intermediate, you would be knowing which version do you want. And but for now, what you need to do is click on this Mac OS 64-bit Universal 2 installer. Okay, so I would be not getting into too details, but yeah, it's been installing. I don't want to install it right now. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, so, and you might be asking where is the solution for pip. So the pip solution was there already. If you now let me explain you that if you go back, yes, I want to cancel it. If you go and search for panel, you would be seeing all these options. What you need to do the next is click on this install a program from these options. Once you click on that option, this thing will be opening up. What you need to do the next is search for Python. No, I don't. What you need to do is you need to search for Python. Here you can see your version of Python. You need to click on uninstall, but you have to really uninstall it. No, not right now. Yes. Cancel. Yeah, I think change. Yep. Yes, now what you need to do the next is you have to click on the modify button present here, and you have to select the pip from here. Okay, so once you select it and install that thing, your pip issue would be solved. So that's it. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, or if you get an information from this video, please like this video. Make sure to like this video, and if you want more techie videos and coding videos like this, you can subscribe to the channel and make sure to press the bell icon and select it to all, so that you can get every information that you want from, like, every video information when I post it. And if you are the first one to comment or like, I would be like printing your name on the top to pin the name. I will pin the name on the top start section. So that's it for this video. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Till then, I will catch you in another one. Okay, so bye bye.